Okay, we will continue with the structure. Okay, in the linked list that we are going to see a lot of examples, a structure is used to create linked list. In a structure, we know we have a lot of members. For the sake of simplicity, we will have two members, one member as the name, like we saw, the name of sitcoms, and the other member is a pointer. Okay, before we get into it, let's define the structure. Okay, same the way we did. Let me erase it. Structure underscore sitcoms character name 16 bytes. Okay, and the linked list is very tricky. The second member, like I said, if you want to create a linked list, right? If you want to create linked list of structures, one member is, some members are the data. In our case, we have Raymond, Seinfeld, all that. Then second member is always a pointer of similar type. See that? Okay. Okay. So what this means is, this is a pointer. Remember, just the point, that means is it keeps the address of some other memory location. It doesn't matter which pointer you call, which pointer type, they always store the address, right, of memories. And so what this means is, we have a name as a one member, and the other, which is 16 bytes in this case, this is 16 bytes, and 8-byte pointer. It's 8-byte pointer of next. That means they store the address of some other structure. Yeah, just like integer pointer, this is a pointer of struct underscore sitcoms. All right. Here, let's pretend we have two pointers, pointer 1 and pointer 2, like we saw before, right? But these two pointers of this type, structure underscore sitcoms, right? That means, and pointer 1, we saw that struct underscore sitcoms star malloc. When I do that, let's say 24, whatever it is, we have name and a pointer. Or not, sorry. This is the next, right? And pointer 1 is pointing to this address, whatever the first address is, right? And let's talk about pointer 2. Pointer 2. Pointer 2 is pointing to this memory location. Pointer 1 is pointing to this memory location. Okay? Let's pretend we have two memory locations. Each looks like a structure. This is also a name. This is next. So two disjoint memory locations. Okay? And we have those addresses stored in pointer 1 and for this pointer 2. If you look, this is a pointer 2, right? Remember, this is also a pointer. So this is a pointer pointing to a structure underscore sitcoms, which is this structure. Pointer 2 is this structure. This next pointer is also similar structure. That means wherever pointer 2 is pointing, I can point my guy there too. Yes or no? This is something you have to clearly understand in linked list. This is also same type. So next pointer is and pointer 2 are same type. This is also structure underscore sitcoms. This is also structure underscore sitcoms. So can I assign? In other words, wherever pointer 2 is pointing, let the next pointer also point there. So the way you do that is, the way you link, let's talk about this. The way you link like that is pointer 1 dot next. How do you access members of a structure? Right? We saw that before. So let me now pretend that pointer 2 is pointing somewhere, right? Now all we got to do is pointer 1 dot next, wherever pointer 2 is pointing, equate that to pointer to the pointer 1 dot next. What this really means now is, this is pointer 1, this is pointer 2, this is next, pointer 1 dot next, point to that guy. So I linked two structures now. Okay, and you can also bring pointer 3 if you want to. Pointer 3, you declare pointer 3 here. And how do I link pointer 2 dot next to pointer 3? Same as here. Same as here. Yeah, pointer. Okay, I'm looking for space here. Pointer 2 dot next equal to pointer 3. Remember, you had to, for each pointer, 3, pointer 1 or whatever, you need to allocate memory and point that memory to pointer 1 or pointer 2, right? So this is how you create linked list. Yeah, just like the trains, the cars in a train, you have separate cars and you have engine. You point this guy here, point that guy here, point that guy here. Let's look at how am I doing. So this concept you have to understand. If you don't understand this, see this video again and again and get used to this notation, because this is what linked list is all about. You have to know how to link two different memory locations, yeah,